welcome back to another video. I have one more kids product for you, and I don't think it's just a kids product. I would play with this product too, so here we go. Ding! It says for 3 years and up, and I think I would love this because you could use it at a barbecue, you could use it in the pool, you can use it at a beach. And the reason why I say I would love this is, let's say I throw a ball and it goes rolling down the hill or something. I don't want to run down there and get it. I want to have fun. So, oops. I know Nala's going to take that. I wish I could play this with Nala, but the thing is she won't give it back. So then the Velcro is purposeless. I don't know. But it comes with these balls that have the Velcro on it. Okay. I'll put them off to the side really quick. It comes with a bag to put the balls in. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. It comes with 4 balls. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4 little glove things. So, it's here that it promotes hand-eye coordination, improves physical fitness, enhances gross motor skills, improves kids' reaction times, and helps build stronger relationships. It's waterproof, 4 paddles, 4 balls, and a storage bag. So, here they are. This is also Velcro. We have 2 different colors throughout the theme of this, which is red and blue. Get it? Red and blue. So here they are. Because I don't have anybody right now to play with me, and if I had tried to give the ball to Nala, see she's already coming over here, I would not get it back. So, it basically sticks. You put your hand here like this. Nala, no, this is not for you. See, Nala, this is for Mama. Mama gets to have a ball too. Nala, deja eso, mami. So the Velcro sticks. See, red and blue, it sticks. So if I were to throw it, catch it. If I were to throw it, catch it. If I were to throw it, catch it. See? So I personally would love this to play by myself. I don't need to be a kid to play with this. Nala, you cannot have this baby. So let's make sure this can all fit in the bag. Nala's birthday is actually coming up, so I'm gonna have guests over. So maybe we'll play this. I mean, there's space in the parking lot outside or even inside, as you saw me do. So, yep, it all fits perfectly, and I can hang it. And yeah, I think this is a great product. Let me know in the description box what you think. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. I'd really appreciate it. And until my next video, besos.